Hi guys, welcome to this video. It's still the 2nd of August 2021 and during updates the pacman init service suddenly did not update anymore. Well, we did not initiate, it failed simply. We've put 3 videos online how to fix that, but because of this I also thought maybe it's also interesting to have an alias in your system. So when you update your systems, you get a new ArcoLinux root git, you get a new ZSH git, and also an application where the real thing is, the real script is. So 3 new packages, just shown here, just the one, but you'll see there are 3 packages for it. And you install it, and that means that it's you got yourself a new bash RC or a new ZSH RC. Now, in order for that to be working, you need to reboot. Simple. If you don't get what I'm gonna teach you now, next step, right, then fine, just sudo reboot and you'll see then the keyfix, that's the new alias, is gonna be there. Now if you want to learn more about aliases, type in alias. There's so much more there. And one of the things I could teach you now is copy the bash cb. Copy bash is gonna copy paste the bash RC to your home directory and activate it, source it. So immediately you don't need to reboot, you do cb, and then you can immediately say fix my key or keyfix, right? Keyfix is gonna run a little script and immediately it will fix any key issues that there are. It's actually just the same thing. It's a different script, but it's a copy paste of the script that I've shown you in the other videos. Fix pacman databases and keys. It's just situated somewhere else. User, local, many stuff of ours is there. This is the one that is running after the alias. How do you know? Alias, keyfix. There it is. It just runs a script, and hopefully this is going to be a little bit easier because some of us start with an ArcoLinux D version or maybe an Arch Linux version, and you don't have all these keys of these scripts available as we do have here in the .bin, in the main. We got lots of interesting stuff to take a look at besides the fun stuff, which is all this, right? So that's it for me. There's a new alias keyfix, sorry, alias keyfix. It's gonna be available on bash RC, gonna be available on ZSH. So that's cool. We have got a new way, an easier way maybe, just an alias to remember, keyfix, and share it with others if you see people that are in trouble. All right, bye.